Human microbiome. A presentation by Professor Gershom Zaitchik, Faculty of Medicine, Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Human microbiome is the whole array of microorganisms or microbiota that lived on and in humans. And we want to know what this microbiome is doing. And we have a very important example because there's a similar microbiota are living in the ocean. So here you have it, marine viruses, major player in the global ecosystem. And he writes, viruses are by far the most abundant life forms in the oceans and are the reservoir of most of the genetic diversity in the sea, and there are about 10 over 30 viruses and 10 over 23 viral infections, and these infections are major source of mortality of cells. And above all, he writes that viruses kill approximately 20% of the oceanic microbial biomass daily. So what does it mean, and how does it tell us anything about human microbiome? So first of all, we have to realize that cells exist in families. Cells in a family carry a unique self, which I shall immediately describe, and in their genome, and virus is a messenger of the family self, and I published it here previously. So here you have a beginning of such a family. It starts with the clone founder, and all these cells are generated by this clone, and all these cells have the same self. So we want to understand how does it happen. So some definition. First of all, we have to realize that prophage is a provirus, and provirus is a set of cell genes with three functions. It stores the self of a cell, it controls who may infect the cell, and it controls virus production. And the self is a set of provirus genes unique to the cell, and I published it here. So let's see what happened. Virus attaches to a receptor, triggers the formation of the provirus with these three functions, and then the provirus creates virions, one of the functions. So what is virus? Virus is a cell messenger. Virus is created by provirus. Virus stores the self of the cell in its genome, and virus infects only cells with the same self. And self is a set of provirus genes. So we go back to the ocean, and what we read again, viruses kill approximately 20% of the oceanic microbial biomass. So how do they do it? Here you have it. One virus infects a cell, triggers the formation of the provirus, and the provirus generates many virions. Now, but at the first infection, only one cell dies. But if these many virions infect the cells, the many cells, we have a total many dead cells. So the turnover in the ocean is because we have this cycle of one virus, one cell, many viruses, many cells. And I must tell you, prepare you that similar things probably happens also in our microbiome. Human microbiome turnover. There's one virus, many viruses, many cells. It's not so intensive like in the ocean, but it's there, and we shall learn what does it mean in future presentations. More to come. Enjoy.